And welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can sort data in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I think it's super easy. On your computer, open a spreadsheet in the Google Sheets. At the top, right click the letter of the column you want to sort by. For example, right click and then you can select sort sheet A to Z or sort sheet Z to A. I'm going to select this. So and as you can see, the data is sorted. So easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.